guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can correctly add in video transitions on CapCut PC. So I have this video right here for instance, and if I go to transitions I can't add any, and that is because I only have one clip. So if I, for instance, split this in like half, then I can add in the video transition because I have two clips. So again, you'll need more than one. I suggest you use another clip for it so that you can actually see the video transition here, like this one. And then for instance, you want to add one at the beginning of your video, but you can't. What I like to do is I just go to library and add in a black stock video before that, and then I add in a video transition here. Same works for the video at the end. You just add in a black stock video and then you can add in your video transition. You can also adjust the duration here and whatnot. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can correctly add video transitions. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!